All right, babe. What are we doing today?
We're taking off the side rails of 2025 Toyota 4Runner Sport Premium TRD Sport Premium.
Okay. What tools do you need?
And you need a 12mm socket with a socket wrench.
Okay.
Then you were telling me something and I stopped listening to you.
Oh, so if you'll notice on these ones, I just got bit in the back by an ant. Damn, right on my sweet meat. All right, so now look, this is terrible lighting. Okay, so on the rearmost one, the top bolt has a notch in the bracket and the bottom bolt does not. Let's see if I can get. Okay, yeah. So just loosen the top one and take the bottom one all the way out so that this one will actually hold the weight. And you can just slide the step backwards and off. That's why this bracket has a notch in it right there.
Oh.
The middle, just take both middle ones out.
Okay.
And then take the bottom one, rearmost and forwardmost off.
Okay. Well, I'm glad I started with the middle one.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm glad you told me that information now because I took the top one off first and then the bottom one.
That's fine. You only need one in the front and one in the back to hold the weight, so it doesn't fall on your face.
Okay.
And this is some pristine photography right here.
Bubba butt. You go Bubba butt in my
Are
way.
either of those notched?
Yeah, good point because I started doing the top one and that's notched. So the bottom one.
Yes. You probably get the extension for that one. Here.
I got it.
Okay. This video is sponsored by Ramen Noodle Pajamas. Manchurian or whatever it is. And Maruchan, not Manchurian. Chicken flavored.
This isn't going to fall on my face, is it?
I just explained how to make it not fall on your face. I went into great detail. I'm covered in ants.
Okay.
Dog, do you have anything to say for yourself? Sasha.
Okay.
This is what it looks like to struggle without an extension that's sitting right next to you.
I will take it. Where is it?
You can hear it. It's coming right for me.
Ow. Oh, my neck.
I can't even see nothing you're doing.
Nope.
That's a rite of passage, getting stuff in your mouth.
You know, I did plenty of that with the Tahoe build.
Well, that had ants too. Everything has ants. You get that condensation line dripping right into your face. Right above your eye. It's like that Chinese, like, slow water torture.
Well, it hasn't dropped yet, I don't think. But it looks like it will. Or it wants to. Don't shake it! You're so rude. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
No, you're in my spot, so I need
Do you have that one tight?
What? Tight?
Or loose?
Oh.
You have to loosen the one, the front one, like,
Yeah,
don't take it all the way out,
You
just
said that.
loosen it, yeah. So that you can slide the bracket backwards afterwards. Maximum effort.
That's funny.
No, like a lot, like four,
No, I just...
like
I
4
saw-
turns.
But I already saw it move.
I know. Now make it move a little bit more, and it'll be good. Mechanic adjacent.
Okay. There. Now you gotta switch places with me.
Oh, you want to do the whole thing?
What? Oh,
You
well,
gonna do
yeah, of course.
So we're at 5 minutes. That's your score so far. Excuse me, dog.
I'm gonna make it like less than 20 minutes.
Yep.
Watch out, Doug. Doug.
She's like, I'm helping from this location.
She is.
She's not helpful at all. Okay, yeah, you got some good movement there.
I told you. What was that? Why has it made that? Why did it make that noise?
Why is it made that? Why come?
Why?
Why come that noise?
Explain.
It's just tight.
Oh. So that's a normal sound?
Well, they probably put some sort of factory Loctite on it.
My elbow hurts.
Yes. You get tennis elbow from working.
Okay.
You're doing a great job at it. You're doing a great job at it. You got like 2 bolts left. You
I have a whole other side to do.
You have 1 and a bolt adjacent left.
1 and a bolt adjacent? What do you mean?
Because that top one you don't have to take it all out.
Oh, yeah. Bubba, you helping? Or are you protecting me?
Are you helping? Feel the burn. Now every meme on Facebook where they're like, you just lay under the vehicle defeated once your shoulders and elbows give out. Now you know what they're talking about. It's that. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go.
I'm going.
I can do the other side since you're already doing that.
Oh, Doug just stepped on me.
She's thick. That's a thick old dog. My goodness. Take forever.
I'm doing my best.
Next model year is going to be out by the time you get these things up. You ain't going to be able to sell them on Craigslist. They're going to be side steps off of last year's model.
I'm going. My elbow. Bubba, feel my pain. Okay. Oh, I still can't do it with my hand yet.
Yeah, but you can take that extension off so it's not right in your face. Adapt. Adapt to the work.
Half the work is swapping out tools.
Yeah. Very good. Be cool if there's like only one size bolt on the entire car and you could just rip through it. I think there was an old car, like a Toyota
cool.
Corolla or something like that, that all it had was like 12mm bolts.
All around the whole thing?
Yeah, for like 90% of the car. They said you could literally tear it down to the frame and put it back together with a 12mm.
Really?
I don't know if it was a Corolla or not, but it was a...
It was one of them Rollas.
Yeah. Maybe not the core flavored one, but...
Okay.
My goodness.
I just went to the gym.
Let me help you.
Yesterday.
Remember that tool that I didn't want to use and then it made everything go off faster?
No, I'm almost done. Let me use it on the other side. Alright. I already took it off. I don't need it anymore.
You got a whole nother side, you said.
No, you were doing the other side.
Oh.
That's what you said.
Yeah, okay.
Right? Lift up
No, just push back.
and down.
Very nice.
Ta-da!
Good job, Ab. Oh. I can't do that sideways
Oh,
for
don't
you.
do that. You can't flip and flip.
Oh, no, that's why I flipped it back. Good job, you got to step off.
Hey.
How does that look? Dog, get. Why is it so zoomed in? Oh, yeah, that looks way more better. all the ground clearance.
Yeah.